Hi, and welcome to this demo. So in this demo, we're going to show a basic website setup using the Jamstack and talk a little bit about what's cool with the Jamstack. Now, if you want to know a bit more about the Jamstack, then you can go to this webpage. It's pretty cool, jamstack.wtf. Essentially, Jamstack is JavaScript APIs and markup, so you sort of skip the whole PHP backend that dynamically generates sites, and instead, you sort of just serve static content, which leads to faster performance, among other things. And we'll show how this setup can work. So in our case, we're building this basic site using React and a Netlify CMS for content management system, because that's usually the tricky part with like serving a static site. And then we have a Travis CDCI pipeline, which is very basic in the end. And yeah, so our demo site kind of looks like this. And here you can see the front page. And then we have our content management, which is on the same URL, right? It's static, and it connects with GitHub. So it connects with GitHub, talks to GitHub, and essentially, like if I want to make these changes, right, they look pretty ugly, it will do this to a markdown page here. So here we can see the front page, and if I publish now, then this will trigger a commit. The commit will trigger a build, and this will then eventually propagate down to the site. So we can see here that the change has been established, and our site will this change will eventually be propagated to our site, because it's building through Gatsby and then generates a new static website. And we have like this basic pipeline with linting and testing and stuff. And so what's cool is, like, if you create a pull request, like here we have a branch and we have a pull request, and then it will run these tests, right? Like basic pipeline stuff. But what it will also do, it will deploy a special website, right? So you can not only leverage the power of GitHub for your content management, right? So you just use like normal APIs for with GitHub, right? You can also leverage like these branches and build example sites for how the branch will look very easily, because everything is like statically generated, right? And it's talking to the same APIs. So that's sort of the power of Jamstack and how it can simplify a pipeline and make stuff really neat and really cool. And you can check out the demo here on GitHub. So yeah, thank you for watching.